trees are organic. Oops, there we go. Ask an adult. When an acorn is put in the ground and it grows to an oak tree, where do all the atoms come from? So to grow this big tree, where's the stuff come from? Adults that did not study hard enough in science lessons will say the atoms come from the ground. This sounds reasonable, until you realise this would leave a big hole. Scientists know that the oak tree gathers rainwater from the soil and some minerals. Minerals is how to say minerals. The oak tree also gathers carbon dioxide. It's the carbon in the carbon dioxide that it wants. The carbon dioxide is gas in air that diffuses to the tree. Carbon dioxide is only 0.03% of air, so it can take an oak tree 100 years to grow full size. Carbon dioxide gives the 3 carbon atoms. Water is H2O. Water gives 3 hydrogen atoms. Carbon and hydrogen atoms make the wood of the tree, which we use to make paper and wooden furniture. So half of a tree's atoms drop as rain, and most of the rest diffuse to the tree through the air. Plants need nitrogen atoms from the soil to make their DNA. Nitrogen. Plants also need phosphorus atoms from the soil to make their DNA. Phosphorus. Plants need potassium atoms from the soil to make healthy leaves and flowers. Plants need magnesium atoms from the soil to make the green chemical. Magnesium. The magnesium chemical that makes plants green is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. The phosphorus, potassium and magnesium atoms come to the soil from rocks that have been broken into tiny pieces by weathering. Oops. Weathering is rain, ice and wind breaking up rocks. The nitrogen atoms a plant needs comes from the air. The air is 78% nitrogen. But nitrogen gas only makes the chemicals that are in the soil when lightning strikes. When a farmer's food crops have taken the nitrogen out of soil, he has 3 choices. Wait for lightning, spread manure from animals or humans on his field. Manure also adds the important pieces in the soil called humus. This is how organic food is made. One, two, 3. Use chemical fertilisers. Chemical fertilisers have P and K numbers to tell the farmer the ratio of nitrogen to phosphorus to potassium. Because K is potassium. 2010 has 2 parts nitrogen, no phosphorus, and 10 parts potassium. So this is good for a farmer whose soil does not need no phosphorus, not need phosphorus. But needs lots of potassium. A farmer that uses chemical fertilisers or pesticides cannot call his food organic. Pesticides. An oak tree acorn. Yeah, lovely little things, acorns. Little presents for squirrels to bury in the ground for their winter food. Uses water and carbon dioxide and minerals, just a small amount of minerals. So the minerals are very important, as they found in New Zealand. The farmers in New Zealand had great problems near Rotorua because they just couldn't grow anything until the soil was found to be missing in certain minerals. It was something like boron and beryllium. It was really rare minerals, but without them, no crops. Nitrogen and phosphorus are needed to make DNA. Potassium, K, is needed to make healthy leaves and flowers. Magnesium is needed to make chlorophyll. Oops, have I made a mistake? Editing. Manure makes humus. Cool. Did you spot the one mistake that I made? Put in comments if you find the mistake. Press my circular picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!